सो हेलो जी, नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल इस ए बी सीरीज। सो पिछले वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया कि 11th में कौन कौन से स्ट्रीम्स होते हैं और उन स्ट्रीम्स में कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं। तो ये वीडियो में और इसके बाद के वीडियो में हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि उन पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रीम्स में कौन कौन से करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होते हैं। सो आज हमारा टॉपिक है करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन साइंस स्ट्रीम। तो आज हमारा एजेंडा बेसिकली है, पहला होगा हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन, फिर करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन PCM ओनली, देन करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन PCB सेपरेटली, देन सम अदर करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, एंड लास्टली विल गो फॉर समरी. So getting started with introduction. See, there are many career opportunities in and after science stream. I will discuss here some of the well-known and some exceptional in-demand career opportunities about which I have knowledge and experience. But apart from the mentioned careers here, there are a hell lot of careers too about which I will be discussing one by one in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. Moving on to career opportunities in PCM, that is Physics, Chemistry, Maths. So the first career opportunity is, of course, it's engineering. Engineering is the most priority given career opportunities from 10 to 20 years since past, and in India engineering is something which everyone does. So before going to this field, think about it if you really want to go, and then you can opt for it. So basically engineering has many paths, like mechanical engineering, be it electrical engineering, be it computer engineering. So it differs which interest you have and in which field you like to go for. So moving on second place we have machine learning. So machine learning is the upcoming new field which have a lot of scope in the future times. So the third is cloud computing. The whole world is coming digitally, as you all know. So the future of cloud computing also is good enough. Moving on to robotics. Robotics is a field where you cannot see that growth today, but in the upcoming 5 to 10 years or 20 years, this field will be at the peak. Moving on to cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the need of the hour. As I said, the whole world is coming to digital platforms, and many other sites, many other apps like banking apps, be it freelancing sites also. This requires some security, this requires some cyber security, because the cyber attacks are too increasing rapidly. Moving on to software development, which everyone knows in these times. Okay, software development is a soft skill. Going college for it is good enough, but you can get the skill by seeing YouTube videos or stuff like that, courses like Udemy, like that. Okay, so the next is architecture. Yeah, architecture is also quite old career, quite old field to choose for, but yeah, it has a very scope in India especially, because after this pandemic is over, God knows when it will be over, but yeah, after this pandemic is over, India will focus more and more on infrastructure. Okay, so next is data scientist. Data scientist also, I told that the whole world is coming, the data is increasing day by day, number of users are increasing day by day. So of course data scientists include data research, data analyst also. So it is a powerful career. Okay, And let's move to career opportunities in PC, that is physics, chemistry and biology. So first, of course, is doctor. Doctor, you all know doctor is who is doctor. Doctor is God. So in this field also it depends which doctor you choose for, be it homeopathy, Ayurveda, or big hospitals, be it just MBBS or you do MD. It depends. Second, we go for pharmacy. Pharmacy is a field, but it's not that powerful. But yeah, it is good. It is basically medicinal field. You produce medicines, or you have knowledge about medicines. You can start your own business. You can start your own firm or stuff like that. Then move into botany. Botany is if you like plants, if you like trees, you like to know about them, you feel them, then this field is good for you. We go for dentist. Dentist, all of us knows who is dentist and what work he or she does. Okay. Moving on to veterinary. Veterinary is basically doctor of animals. So if you love pets, if you love animals, and if you are willing to study hard for it, because this field has a very hard study syllabus. So if you are willing for that, you can choose this field. And on to nursing. Nursing is also a quite, I say, helping field, but it requires minimum qualifications. It is not that hard, but yeah, it's a good field. Then we move on to some other career opportunities like artificial intelligence. The transition you saw here, that was a part of artificial intelligence. The designers, the developers are moving on to artificial intelligence. The human work is being reduced by artificial intelligence, and in the upcoming years it will gain more and more demand. So it is a good field. Moving on to commercial pilot. Okay, so going or choosing this field requires a hell lot of money. A family needs to be rich. Taking courses of this field requires crores. So think before going into this field. This field is quite good, much good. But yeah. Next, going to defense. Defense is all know. There is NDA, be it police, be it army, or anything. And move to aviation. So aviation is different from commercial pilot. Aviation is different. So aviation basically means, aviation depends, like if you choose for the country server or if you go for just airlines, which basically travels from one place to another. You can go for air hostess too. It depends. Merchant Navy. Merchant Navy is a very powerful field. I personally like this field very much. It is the strongest, I think, for the the water experience, the sea experience, ocean experience. It is super. So you can choose for this. And then moving on to astronomy. To astronomy, our childhood dreams. If you are still passionate about astronomy, you can choose for this. This field also requires money. So if you give money, you can always accept a good amount of money in returns. So lastly, moving on to scientist. So scientist, I kept scientist in other career opportunities because it depends which scientist you are going for, be it space scientist or biotechnology scientist, be it animal scientist, plant scientist. It depends. So it is a good field. So that's it for today. Let's move on to summary. These were some of the career opportunities which you can think for. I have tried my best to give all the information and knowledge from this video. Still, there are many other career opportunities in this field. If you find interest in any of these careers, then do not settle, start exploring about it. See, the concern is money, yes, but you can choose any of the field. Money doesn't matter. Money is in every field. To earn the highest, you must be in the top 1% in that field. And for going to the top 1%, rigorous efforts is the only way. So don't worry about money. Money is in every field. You just need to put your efforts out there. Okay. So last, thank you. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Press like button, comment and share the video. Till then, bye bye, and yeah, stay home, stay safe.